Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss distribution of profit, partnership, chapter 2, subject accountancy, class 12th. So, distribution of profit among the partner. As you know, students, in class 11th, you have studied about financial statements, where you have made trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet of the firm. It was the case of sole proprietorship firm where the owner was only one person. But in partnership, here at least minimum 2 or maximum 50 people are there working together. So after making the profit and loss account, they also make one more account which is also called below line account. And name of that account is profit and loss appropriation account. In this account, the profit of the firm is transferred in the credit side, and if it is a loss, it is transferred in the debit side as per the agreement among the partners. This is also known as extension of profit and loss account. Here, if there is a profit, it is appropriated among the partners. That is called divisible profit. And if there is net loss, after crediting interest charge on drawing, then profit is not appropriated among the partners since there is no profit. The loss is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. But if it is loss, definitely it is appropriated. So this way, the profit of the firm is distributed among the partners. This is the specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. In the credit side, profit of the firm is transferred. In the debit side, if there is loss, loss is debited. So loss is debited and profit is credited. If there is a provision in partnership deed to provide interest on capital, it is credited. It is debited in the appropriation account. Partner's salary is debited. If any commission is given to any partner, it is also debited. If any reserve is maintained, it is also debited. In the credit side, if there is interest on drawing is charged, it is credited. Then the balancing figure will be either the profit or the loss. If it is profit, it will be debited in appropriation account in their profit sharing ratio as per the deed. If there is no deed, it will be distributed equally. If capital is fluctuating, will be transferred in the capital account. If capital is fixed, this profit will be transferred in the current account. And so on in case of loss. Next is capital account can be maintained by two ways. There may be fixed capital, there may be fluctuating capital. If capital of the partner is fixed, it remains fixed. It is not altered throughout the year. And this always has credit balance. And this fixed capital can be changed only and only in two circumstances. Student, here is very important concept. This can be asked in the exam also. In which circumstances the fixed capital account may change? So please be attentive. Fixed capital remain fixed throughout the year. It is not altered. It can be changed only in two circumstances. One, when additional capital is introduced by the partner. Number two, when drawings are made out of capital. And when capital of the partner is fixed, one has to make two accounts. One is the fixed capital account and second is the current account. If the capital of the partner is fluctuating, then all the transactions are transferred only in the capital account and there is no need to make any other account as we are making in case of fixed capital account. We are making current account also. But if capital is fluctuating, there is no need to make any other account. Now see, if capital is fixed, how the fixed capital account is made? First, we'll transfer the balances, opening balances. If additional capital is made by the partner, we'll write by cash or by bank. If any drawings are made out of capital, we'll write to cash or bank. Then the balance will be ascertained. And when we'll make current account, if the balances of the current account are given, if they are having credit balance, we'll transfer in the credit side. If they are having debit balance, balance will be transferred in the debit side. All the adjustment entry relating to interest on capital, commission, partner salary, share of profit will be credited in this account. And all the adjustment regarding drawings against capital, interest on drawing, loss in business will be debited in this account. And then the balance will be carried out, balance will be ascertained. This balance can be credit balance and can be debit balance. It will be debit balance if the amount is overdrawn. Next is fluctuating capital account. This is the format of fluctuating capital account. As I explained, under fluctuating capital account, only one account is maintained, that is called capital account. All the transaction relating to additional capital, drawings out of capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, interest on capital are credited in this account, and all the adjustment relating to drawings against capital or drawings against profit, interest on drawing will be debited to this account. Profit, if any, will be credited to this account and loss will be debited. And this way, the closing balance will also be ascertained. This account may have debit balance or sometime may have credit balance. Sometime may have credit balance, sometime may have debit balance. Debit balance if it is overdue. Now, see this question. Here is the case of fixed capital account. Now, I'll discuss the numericals. In this numerical, there are three partners, LMN. Ratio is 235. Fixed capital is 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. In the deed, two provisions are given. Interest on capital 9%. Interest on drawing 12%. L brought additional capital of 1 lakh and withdrew 1 lakh out of capital. And drawings of L, M, N are 12,000, 18,000, 24,000. Here important point is this. The date of drawing is not given in the question. The rate is 12%. The date of drawing is not given. You will apply case 1. I have earlier gave the notes based on interest on drawing. You will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. On 1st January, firm has obtained a loan of rupees 1,50,000 from M. Net profit of the firm is, after charging interest on M's loan, is 85,000. So interest on loan is already charged. Profit of the firm was 1,50,000. After interest on loan, it is 85,000. So we'll take, because interest on partner's loan is a charge, so it will be debited to profit and loss account, not in profit and loss appropriation account. So we'll write profit of the firm 85,000. We'll calculate interest on capital. Interest on capital in the first 3 months. First 3 months, 2 lakh into 9% into 3 by 12. 1 lakh is introduced. So this will become 3 lakh. So it will be 3 lakh into 9% into 9 by 12. So this way we'll calculate interest on capital for NMN, which will become 24,750, 27,000 and 29,250, and the total will be 81,000. And interest on drawing will be calculated for 6 months because date is not there. So it will be 720, 1080, 1440. Total is 3240. And the balancing figure will be profit, which is 7240, and this profit will be distributed among the partners in the ratio of 2:3:5, which will become 1448, 2172 and 3620. So students, this way will make profit and loss appropriation account. And after that, we'll make fixed capital account and the current account. First, we'll transfer the balance 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh because the account says credit balance. फिर additional capital by L will be credited and the drawings out of capital by N will be debited and the balancing figure will be rupees 3 lakh each. Closing figure. Then we'll make current account. In this question, current account balances are not given. So we'll write by balance brought down dash dash dash. Then interest on capital and share of profit. Interest on capital and share of profit of the partner will be credited in this account. Drawings, interest on drawing will be debited and the balance will be ascertained, which will be 13,478, 10,092 and 7070. So this way we'll make appropriation account, fixed capital account and current account. We'll take one more example. Here are the workings for calculating interest on capital. And interest on drawing will be calculated for 6 months because date is not given. In the next example, here are 3 partners ABC. Their capital is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh. They decided that profit up to 36,000 will be distributed in the capital ratio. Look students, their capital is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh. From here we will calculate the capital ratio, which will be 4:3:2. 4:3:2. So profit up to 36,000 will be distributed in the 4:3:2 and the rest of the profit will be distributed equally among the partners. And A advances 50,000. A advances 50,000. It is a loan provided by A to the firm and the date is not mentioned. So we'll calculate interest on partners loan at the rate of 6% because the rate is also missing. When the deed is silent, I explained earlier, if the deed is silent, interest on partners loan will be at 6% per annum. Here in this question, interest on capital is 5%, interest on drawing is 3%. Each partner's drawing is 20,000. Again, date is missing. So we'll calculate interest for 6 months, which will be 20,000 into 3 by 100 into 6 by 12. B was entitled to a rent of 1,000 per month for providing premises to the firm. So that means B's total rent will become 12,000 and it's a charge. It will not be shown in profit and loss appropriation account. It will be shown in the profit and loss account. And C will also entitle 5% on net profit commission. The net profit before these adjustments 99,000 and the balances of the current account is A credit balance 5,000, B credit balance 4,000 and C debit balance 3,000. We have to prepare appropriation account, capital account and current account. Now see how to make appropriation account. Profit of the firm is 99,000. Interest on A's loan is 3,000, as I explained you earlier. This will be deducted. And rent to B will be 12,000. This will also be deducted. And the net profit of the firm will be 84,000. Here net profit of the, because interest on A's loan is a charge, rent to B is a charge. So these two items will be deducted and the net profit of the firm will become 84,000 and C's commission will be calculated on 84,000 at 5%, which will be 4,200. Then interest on capital will be calculated at the rate of 5%. Interest on drawing will be calculated 600 each for 6 months. Profit will be 59,100. 36,000 will be distributed in the ratio of 4:3:2, which will be 16,000, 12,000 and 8,000, and the rest will be distributed equally. So this way we'll make appropriation account. Then capital account. First we'll transfer the opening balance. Since in this question there is no additional capital, no drawings out of capital, so closing balance will also remain same. Then we'll make current account. In this question, the balances of the current account are given. A, B are having credit balance, so we'll write in the credit side, and C is having debit balance, so will be written in the debit side. Interest on capital, rent to the partner, commission to C, share of profit. All these four items will be credited in the capital account of respected partners. Drawings. Interest on drawing will be debited in the account of respected partner. And the closing balance will be ascertained, which will be 18,100, 22,600 and 1,300. So this way we'll make the accounts. Here is the question where the capital of the partner is fluctuating. In this question, ABC are three partners. According to the deed, partners can withdraw maximum 7,000 per month. A, B, C are withdrawing 7,000, 6,000 and 5,000 respectively per month. That means drawings of A will be 7,000 into 12, 84,000. B is drawing 6,000 into 12 and C is drawing, and C's drawing will be 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Rate is for interest on capital 8%, for interest on drawing 10%. Profit of the firm is 7,55,000. 2 lakh will be transferred to general reserve. B and C will get a salary per month 30,000 and 45,000 respectively. A will receive commission 10% on distributable profit after charging such commission. This is very important. Another is the balance of capital account are 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh 50,000. You have to prepare the appropriation account and the capital account. Here is the profit and loss appropriation account. First we'll transfer the profit of the firm, which is 7,55,000. Then in the debit we'll write general reserve 2 lakh. Interest on capital will be calculated at the rate of 8%, which will be 40,000, 32,000, 28,000. This way 1 lakh. Partner salary, it is annual salary. So B and C will get 30,000 and 35,000 will become 75,000. A's commission will be 35,609. How this is calculated? It is very important. From this profit 7,55,000, 11,700 will be added. 2 lakh and 1 lakh and 75,000. These three figures will be deducted. This will be net profit before commission. And the rate is net profit after commission. So we'll take 10 upon 110 because the C's commission, A's commission cannot be deducted. We are not having the amount. So we'll convert the rate 10 upon 110 and this way we'll get 35,609. And then the profit of the firm 3,56,091 will be distributed among the partners equally, since the profit of the firm is not given. So when the deed is silent, profit is distributed equally. Then we'll make capital account of the partner. First we'll write their opening balances, interest on capital, partner's salary, A's commission, share of profit. These things will be credited in their respective accounts. Interest on drawing will be debited in their respective accounts, and then the closing balance will be ascertained. So student, this way you will make profit and loss appropriation account and capital account of the partner if capital is fluctuating, capital account and current account of the partner if capital is fixed. So student, this is my humble request to all of you. First you read the notes thoroughly. Then you read the book thoroughly and understand how to make profit and loss appropriation account, capital account when it is fixed and fluctuating, and the current account. After going through all these things, then you please do practice from question number 13 to 19, page number 2.81, and question number 44 to 56 from page number 2.85 onwards. Please try all these numericals. Within a day or two, I will take your doubt class. Thank you so much.